think a really good school supply item might be one of those bouncy balls that you kind of sit on, and that way you get some core exercise. Since kids are going to be at home on their devices, they might as well work on their stomach muscles at the same time. You get PE and learning at the same time. Right now, though, we're taking a live look out over toward Ocean City, and it is looking beautiful. Not only do you need your sunblock today, you need those sunglasses as well. Temperatures are forecast to increase as we head through the next 2 days until a cold front provides some much needed relief. Right now, though, if you still are planning to maybe take the dog for a walk, it's a little hot. Hopefully you have some booties for them. Looking like 93 degrees currently in Chestertown, the Inner Harbor at around 94, and Bel Air at 90. But what does it feel like with the humidity? It feels almost 7 degrees warmer out over toward Elkton, feeling like 97 degrees. Chestertown feeling like 99, the same for you into Easton. And these numbers tomorrow are going to feel like the triple digits as we are going to increase our humidity, not only for Monday, but really peaking on Tuesday. You know where it's also fairly muggy? Out over toward the Pacific, where we're still talking about hurricanes. This Hurricane Douglas, it is going to affect Maui to Kauai sometime today and tonight. It is about 125 miles just to the east of Honolulu. Fairly small storm, though. Hurricane force winds only go out about 35 miles. However, it's still forecast to bring rainfall 5 to 10 inches and a storm surge of 3 feet there. Also, remember Gonzalo, this one out over toward the Atlantic? Well, this is the remnants of it. However, it looks like there's a 70 to 90% chance that we could see that redevelop in the next 2 to 5 days. Back here at home, we're talking about our own tropical activity in the form of muggy air coming our way. High pressure is in control. You can see that found further out to our west. That's going to be the dominant feature. It has clockwise flow. So look what happens. We get our winds out of the southwest, and that's where all of the rainfall and moisture is. So we'll notice tomorrow temperatures increasing 1 to 3 degrees, but feeling more like 5 degrees warmer. It's also going to be blazing sunshine out there. So remember, the temperature is actually taken in the shade. So when you go out in the sun, then you're going to feel closer to about 8 degrees warmer than even what the thermometer is reading on your car. Tuesday, temperatures are going to peak. That always happens ahead of a cold front. We'll go into the upper 90s yet again. This will be our muggiest day, so feeling closer like 105. Although heat advisories are not posted just quite yet. I don't know if we'll be at that 105 feel like temperature for a few hours or maybe just 1 hour before that cold front decides to slide on through. All of that, though, is going to produce the chance of severe weather. Right now, there's a marginal risk, which means a category 1 out of 5 for the threat of severe weather. The main threat going to be some gusty winds. So for tomorrow, we'll just notice the heat really. By around 7 a.m., we're waking up in Columbia at 73 degrees. The Inner Harbor waking up into the upper 70s. Clear skies, and that's the time you really want to do all sorts of outdoor activities. Maybe go for a nice little jog, because already by noon, we're in the lower 90s at around 91 degrees in the Inner Harbor. Annapolis going for 90, and it's going to be closer to the 6 o'clock time frame. We'll notice our temperatures increasing, and so does the humidity. So the muggy air really coming in the later half of the day. Your forecast hourly 10 a.m. in Annapolis going for 86 degrees. By the time you get to 2, you're around 94 degrees for you, and it looks like the feels like forecast tomorrow going for 101, whereas Tuesday it feels closer to 105. 7-day forecast for you shows you we stay in the upper 90s for the next 2 days until that cold front brings some relief into the lower 90s. Over to you.